Monetize your YouTube videos in 2024? 3 easy steps. What's up everybody, Mr. Unrandom Man here. We're about to make some YouTube magic happen. If you've ever dreamed of making money doing what you love, then buckle up. This is your guide to turning those awesome videos into a cash cow. We're diving deep into the world of YouTube monetization, and trust me, it's way easier than you think. We'll break it down step by step. So even if you're brand new to this whole YouTube thing, you'll be raking in the dough in no time. Get ready to learn the secrets, the tips, the tricks that all the big YouTubers use to make bank. This is your chance to join the club, to become a YouTube millionaire. Let's do this. Step 1. Unlock the YouTube Money Vault. Hit these milestones. Alright guys, first things first. We gotta talk about the keys to the YouTube kingdom. Before you can start swimming in a pool of YouTube cash, you gotta hit a few milestones. Think of it like a video game. Gotta level up to unlock the good stuff. First up, subscribers. YouTube wants to see that people are actually digging your content, that you're building a community of loyal fans. And to be honest, more subscribers means more people watching your videos, which means more chances to make money. We're talking 1,000 subscribers, people, but don't worry, we'll get you there. Next up, watch time. YouTube wants to see that your videos are so epic, so mind-blowingly awesome that people can't tear their eyes away. Step 2. Flip the switch. Turn on the money machine. Alright, you've hit those milestones, you're officially a YouTube superstar in the making. Now it's time to flip the switch and turn on the money machine, baby. Head on over to your YouTube studio, it's like the control center for your channel. You'll see a little tab that says monetization. Click that bad boy and get ready for the magic to happen. Now YouTube has this awesome program called the YouTube Partner Program. It's basically the VIP club for YouTubers who are ready to get paid. You'll need to sign up for that, agree to some terms and conditions, you know the drill, and boom, you're one step closer to YouTube riches. To actually collect all that sweet YouTube money, you're going to need an AdSense account. Don't worry, it's super easy to set up. Okay, you're officially monetized, congrats. But the game's not over yet. Now it's time to crank things up a notch and really start raking in the big bucks. And how do we do that? By making your content so addictive, so entertaining, so downright irresistible that people can't help but click, watch, and share. Think about it, the more views your videos get, the more ads YouTube can show, and the more money you make. First things first, you gotta know your audience. Pay attention to which videos are performing well, which topics are getting the most engagement, and use that information to create even more of the content that your audience craves. We're talking irresistible titles, eye-catching thumbnails, and videos so good people will forget to blink. And there you have it, folks. 3 simple steps to unlock the YouTube treasure chest and start living the dream. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to create amazing content that people love. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more epic YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep creating awesome content, stay hungry for success, and I'll see you in the next video.